Hello, everyone. Today, I'll be showing you how to design an Instagram post using the free version of Canva. First, log into Canva. You can create a post from scratch or use a template. I'll start with templates. Click on the Templates option to see the variety available. You can choose one based on your needs. For example, I'm searching for digital marketing. Once you find one you like, tap Customize this template. From here, you can rename your design, adjust the size, and modify the layout. I'm going to change the title, update the colors, and changing the fonts and alignment. If you want to use your own media, click the Upload button. To add icons or shapes, go to Elements. Note that images with a crown are premium, but there are plenty of free ones. You can also add headings, subheadings, and body text. For better precision, go to File, Settings, Show Margins to keep everything aligned within the borders. To add photos, search for Frames in the Elements tab. Then drag your uploaded image into the frame. Here is the design. Now, let's see how to create a post from scratch. Go to the home page, click Create a Design, and select Instagram Post. You can set a background color, add your logo, and generate your own text. For this example, I'm adding the text, "Digital marketing strategy can be developed and known by the whole world." Adding some elements for a better design. I'll also use layers and adjust the transparency for a better look. When you're finished, click Share and download it as a PNG. You can also add new pages or duplicate your current one using the buttons above the canvas. I hope this helps you design your next Instagram post.